Hi everyone, welcome to Cloners. This is Dr. Ramakrishna. We are going to discuss about the vibrant, ever-blooming Bougainvillea. So in our locality, we visited this nursery. They have a very wide variety of bougainvillea plants with the different ages, size, and shapes. Let's take a look. These multi-grafted bougainvillea plants are imported from Thailand. Once they grew up with the different sizes and shapes, then they are ready for sale. There are more than 300 varieties of bougainvilleas are there in the world. Monocolors and bicolors. Whether you want a natural fence or a garden showpiece or a living craft, this is the best perfect plant. The best part of the bougainvillea is low maintenance. By giving just little amount of water and sunlight, they will explode with the flowers and perfect for balcony, gardening, and even for craft living arches. So look at all these multi-grafted aged bougainvillea plants. Having at least 4 to 5 colors has been grafted on the plant, and it costs range around 70 to 80,000 rupees. By using Clonus rooting hormone gel, we can propagate these bougainvillea plants through cuttings. You can see our customer feedback. You can see the healthy root formation and success rate after using the Clonus rooting hormone gel. If you want to try our Clonus rooting hormone gel, please contact us. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video useful and informative,
Please like, please share.
and subscribe.